In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Shein order using Buffalo Logistics. If your order has already been shipped and you want more detailed delivery updates, this is a simple way to check exactly where your package is during local transit. Shein usually shows general shipping progress inside the app or website, but using the courier's own tracking page can often give you clearer and more precise delivery information. To begin, open Shein and go to your account section by tapping Me. From there, open My Orders so you can see your recent purchases. Find the order you want to check and then tap Track. This section shows the current shipping status and gives you access to the order details connected to that shipment. Once you're in the tracking or order details area, look for the tracking number. In many cases, it may begin with something like BUF, although the exact format can vary slightly depending on the shipment. When you find it, highlight the tracking number carefully and copy it. Make sure you copy the full code without leaving out any letters or numbers, because even a small mistake can prevent the tracking page from finding your parcel. After that, open your browser and go to the official Buffalo Logistics website or its tracking portal. When the page loads, you should see a search bar or tracking field designed for parcel lookups. Tap into that field and paste the tracking number you copied from Shein. Now start the search to view your package details. This is where you can usually see more exact delivery stages, especially once the parcel is being handled locally. Depending on the shipment status, you may see updates showing when the package arrived at a facility, when it moved into transit, or when it is out for delivery. If the tracking results do not appear right away, double check that the tracking number was copied correctly and that there are no extra spaces before or after the code. It can also help to try again a little later, since tracking systems sometimes take time to refresh after a new shipment update. Using both Shein and Buffalo tracking together is a helpful way to stay informed throughout the delivery process. Shein gives you the order connection, and Buffalo can provide more detailed courier-level progress. If you found this useful, you can follow the same method anytime you need a clearer update on a future order.